Well, I've just got here. Frank's just given me a postcode. He said he's moved. Frank!
Hello, Calvin.
What have you moved down here?
Yeah.
What, you've moved?
We're not going football today.
No!
We're going on a boat.
Look at that.
We're going on a boat trip.
What, where's your boat then?
It's coming. The yacht's coming.
Oh, what, is that not it there?
No, the yacht's coming.
You've got a yacht now?
Yeah, I've got the yacht.
What, you're getting bare money, yeah?
Yeah.
What, from your football skills?
I'm getting scouted. you remember, do skills, pay the bills.
Skills pay the bills. But it looks nice out there today, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Thought we'd come and have a look. Oh, look, there's a man out there. 2 people swimming already. It's lovely. Right, so you got your ball. Oh, did you have a nice night's sleep in your new house? No, but I tell you where you did have a good night's sleep.
In my new bed.
Your new bed.
Hey, come, that's not my house. I've rented that place out for a couple of days.
Oh, you rented it out. Oh, now you're renting properties and that. Now you've got a bit of warmth.
I've rented this out for someone to sleep in there.
Ah, okay. Right, so I asked Frank to set the cones up. I think he's been on the beers last night, the San Miguel's. And he's off.
First one back, second one back, third one back.
And this gets your lungs open, ready for some training drills, yeah? Right, go. See how fast you are today. 1, back. 2, back. 3, back. You're getting sharper. 4, back. 5. That's it. Keep going. Well done. 5. Right. Last big push up to the orange. Right, and then you want you to sprint back, and when you get to the blue, head up. Yes! Crossbar challenge. Frank just pinged it. You hit the top. You hit like literally the cross bit, didn't you?
I hit top of the post and the crossbar bit.
Look how sweaty you are today, bruv. You must have been working hard. What's that gap? Jesus.
I need one more ball.
Okay.
Frank Hansen, striker, aka Mad Boy Rapper. Let's go. I've already hit crossbar. If he doesn't hit it, I have 1-0 up. Go. Whoa.
Frank?
Yeah.
Well, you just got your little meal deal.
Yeah.
Your little ham sandwich special. Show us that again.
That's my sandwich.
Let's have a look. We discussed this last month, actually, how Frank doesn't get his value for money on his old meal deals.
Okay, yes.
You're holding a bottle of Lucozade there, waving it at me. What are you doing?
Has anyone ever noticed this?
What?
In the new Lucozade bottle, at the old one, it used to go all the way down there, this orange bit, but now it's there.
Ah, they've changed it. Oh, yeah. It's like it's shrunk. I think they're saving on the packaging a little bit by making the label a little bit smaller.
Yeah, but look, that goes there as well.
Oh, I wonder if anyone else has noticed that. First, it was the Coke bottles and that, where the lids don't come off. And now Lucozade have changed it. Ooh. Right, anyway, we're back at home. We're going to go in and see Mum, and you're going to show me your new bedroom.
Comment if you've ever seen this notice.
Oh, okay. All right there, bro.
Ah.